I was never necessarily a fan of Governor. And not because I have nothing against Governor. I just wasn't aware of Governor that much. I never listened much to Governor's music simply because I don't know, I just don't. I don't know because I'm nothing personal or nothing like that. Kareem, I don't know half of those songs, and every single song was entertaining and on point. There are certain things that makes a performer great and a performance great. One is your costume. He had that locked with his Strike4orce outfit. 2 is clarity, enunciation, and projection. I heard everything he said. I'm gonna tell you something. No, I sang them. Okay, the call and response between him and his backup singers, pristine.
Bud.
Fresh
He
drop.
told a story. You have to tell a story. You can't just perform a galang so it has to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And he did that.
Yeah.
He built up and then he brought it down.
Yeah.
He brought it down in tears. And I tell you this, you see, even if his mother never come up on stage and he never do that, he still take his show.
Absolutely. Because I called it that he was my favorite performance even before his mother.
For a mother, come on, carry him.
Fresh drop.
I just see a question from the wife, girl. Hey, sorry, time I fuck some girl when me blood not fuck. Some of them chat up. So you must send the question my wife and the girl. Hey, girl, let's do no friend of you. But I guess I'm call and text man. Hey, girl, you say you can't get the next one. You must be girl ask me a question. But am I far? They come and fuck it too. Far, you go far for this. Move like a real chicken head. Fly, you go find a new. Because you can't get the next one. But I guess I'm fall and text man.